God, this is definitely heavy. Let's see what we got here. What's important here? Paper, never important. Less paper, the better. Some stickers. Oh snap! Black stickers. I guess this is what they use for their Pro lines. Some Pro lines, some of them more high-end shit. High-end stuff, excuse me. Cool, great. Put it to the side, never gonna see it again. This is their new puck. Open it. Do I want to rip it? Do I want to rip it? Yeah, let's rip it. This looks like it comes apart. Alright. Nice snug fit. Cool. 96 watt USB-C power adapter. We like it. We love it. Actually, look at this cable. It's braided. MacBook time. Alright, so let's see. Definitely thicker, heavier than previous versions that I've owned. I always like to stick with the smaller size of the MacBooks. Alright. Open this up. Oops. Not on that part. Come on. Yes. Oh, look at that. See how that's like kind of like indented? Or what's the proper terminology? Drilled in? Machined in? Nice. I haven't seen that before. At least on Apple laptops, my experience. The feet are like really fat, really chubby. Definitely elevate the MacBook off the table, off whatever service you're using. Oh, this looks so different from the previous models. This part. Alright. So on this side of the MacBook we got the HDMI 2.0, Thunderbolt 4, and SD card reader. Man, they finally put it back, eh? On this side we got the MagSafe, two Thunderbolt ports, and a headphone jack. That's always nice. We got a nice amount of ports this time, as opposed to just 2 in the previous models. Look at this deep ventilation right here. Nice. Okay. Let's open it up for the first time. Oh, love it. Just get rid of this paper. Ooh, that nice peel. And would you look at that? Full functioning function keys. No more touch bar. So here in the middle of the MacBook is the notch. I feel like it's kind of in the way, but it'll disappear after using it for a while. And here at the top right of the keyboard is the fingerprint reader. You can use this for Apple transactions, things like that. That'll be all for my unboxing video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.